Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of English speaking practice. Today we have questions and answers, so let's get started. The first question is, what time do you usually wake up? So your answer will be, now you have to repeat the question and answer along with me. So what time do you usually wake up? What time do you usually wake up? I usually wake up around 6:30. I usually wake up around 6:30. What do you do after waking up? आप क्या करते हो? What do you do after waking up? I check my phone before getting out of bed. I check my phone before getting out of bed. यानी कि मैं अपना फ़ोन चेक करता हूँ बेड से उतरने से पहले. Do you exercise in the morning? क्या आप सुबह एक्सरसाइज करते हो? Do you exercise in the morning? Yes, I go for a walk every morning. Yes, I go for a walk every morning. Do you prefer tea or coffee? Do you prefer tea or coffee? I prefer tea over coffee. I prefer tea over coffee. यानी कि मुझे कॉफी से ज़्यादा टी पसंद है. When do you take a shower? When do you take a shower? I take a quick shower before work. I take a quick shower before work. Right? Okay. What time do you leave for work? What time do you leave for work? I leave for office at 9 sharp. I leave for office at 9 sharp. Do you work from home? Do you work from home? Yes, I work from home most days. Yes, I work from home most days. Do you take breaks while working? While का मतलब है के दौरान, काम करने के दौरान. तो do you take breaks while working? यानी कि आप काम के दौरान ब्रेक्स लेते हैं. Yes, I take short breaks between tasks. Yes, I take short breaks between tasks. What time do you eat lunch? What time do you eat lunch? I eat lunch around 1 p.m. या I have lunch around 1 p.m. ठीक है. What do you do in your free time? What do you do in your free time? I scroll through social media in my free time. I scroll through social media in my free time. Do you go to the gym? Do you go to the gym? Yes, I go to the gym in the evening. Yes, I go to the gym in the evening. Do you cook your own dinner? Do you cook your own dinner? Well, yes, I like to cook my own dinner. Yes, I like to cook my own dinner. Do you spend time with family? Do you spend time with family? Yes, I spend some time with my family at night. I spend some time with my family at night. What do you do before sleeping? What do you do before sleeping? I read a book before going to bed. I read a book before going to bed. What time do you sleep? What time do you sleep? I try to sleep by 11 p.m. I try to sleep by 11 p.m. Do you meditate? Yes, I meditate for 10 minutes every day. बोले yes, I meditate for 10 minutes every day. Do you use your phone during meetings? अब यहाँ during का मतलब है के दौरान, meetings के दौरान. तो do you use your phone during meetings? No, I keep my phone on silent during meetings. I keep my phone on silent during meetings. Do you plan your day? Do you plan your day? बोले yes, I make a to-do list. टू डू लिस्ट मतलब होता है अपना प्लानिंग करना कि इतनी बजे ये करना है, इतनी बजे ये करना है. तो आई मेक अ टू डू लिस्ट एवरी मॉर्निंग. आई मेक अ टू डू लिस्ट एवरी मॉर्निंग. व्हेन डू यू क्लीन योर रूम? व्हेन डू यू क्लीन योर रूम? आई क्लीन माई रूम एवरी संडे. आई क्लीन माई रूम एवरी संडे. आई क्लीन माई रूम एवरी संडे. हाउ मच वाटर डू यू ड्रिंक? हाउ मच वाटर डू यू ड्रिंक? देन आई ड्रिंक प्लेंटी ऑफ वाटर थ्रू आउट द डे. I drink plenty of water मतलब मैं बहुत सारा पानी पीता हूँ. throughout मतलब होता है पूरे दिन भर. throughout the day. तो I drink plenty of water throughout the day. Did you meet anyone unexpectedly? Unexpectedly means बिना उम्मीद के. बोले yes, I ran into an old friend yesterday. अब ran into का इसका मतलब होता है unexpectedly, मतलब बिना उम्मीद के मिलना. तो yes, I ran into an old friend yesterday. I ran into an old friend yesterday unexpectedly. Are you excited about anything? Are you excited about anything? बोले यस आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू द वीकेंड. आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड इज अ फ्रेज, इसका मतलब होता है एक्साइटेड होना. सो आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू द वीकेंड, यानी कि मैं वीकेंड के लिए एक्साइटेड हूं. हु हैड द आइडिया, शी केम अप with a brilliant idea. She came up with the brilliant idea. Who had the idea? She came up with the brilliant idea. When can we meet? Let's catch up over coffee sometime. Let's catch up. Now here catch up means होता है meet. Catch up का मतलब क्या है यहाँ पे? meet से. तो let's catch up. चलो मिलते हैं कॉफी पर कभी. Are you under pressure? Yes, I had to deal with a lot of pressure. Yes, I had to deal with a lot of pressure. Did you accept the offer? No, I turned down the offer. Turn down मतलब होता है reject कर देना. तो I turned down the job offer. Did you solve the problem? We need to sort this out quickly. Sort का मतलब होता है solve करना. तो वी नीड टू सॉर्ट दिस आउट क्विकली, हमें इसको जल्दी ही सॉल्व करने की जरूरत है. आर यू ट्राइंग टू ईट हेल्दी? यस, आई एम ट्राइंग टू कट डाउन ऑन शुगर. कट डाउन मतलब होता है टू रिड्यूस, कम करना. आई एम ट्राइंग टू कट डाउन ऑन शुगर. आर यू लाइंग मतलब झूठ बोल रहे हो. डोंट मेक इट अप, बी ऑनेस्ट. Don't make it up. Be honest. Don't make it up. Be honest. Did you understand the solution? I couldn't figure it out. Figure out मतलब होता है समझना. I couldn't figure it out at first. Figure out मतलब होता है समझना. तो I couldn't figure it out at first. Should we end this now? Yes. Let's wrap up and go home. Let's wrap this up and go home. Wrap up करना मतलब होता है end करना. तो let's wrap this up and go home. Are you angry? Please calm down. It's not that serious. Please calm down. It's not that serious. Please calm down. Where did she grow up? She grew up in a small village. Grew up मतलब बड़े होना. तो she grew up in a small village. Why were you late? I ran out of petrol on the way. Run out of का मतलब होता है खत्म होना. तो I ran out of petrol on the way, यानी कि रास्ते में पेट्रोल खत्म हो गया. Will the project continue? Yes, we will carry on without him. Yes, we will carry on. Carry on का मतलब होता है continue करना. So we will carry on without him. हम उसके बिना continue करेंगे. Did you quit junk food? Quit करना मतलब होता है छोड़ना. Did you quit junk food? क्या तुमने junk food छोड़ दिया? Yes, I gave up junk food last year. Gave up मतलब भी छोड़ना होता है. Yes, I gave up junk food last night. Do you judge people? No, I don't look down on others. मतलब I don't judge the people. I don't look down on others. Is the meeting cancelled? क्या मीटिंग कैंसिल हो गई? Yes, I am calling off the meeting. Yes, call off करना मतलब कैंसिल करना. I am calling off the meeting. मैं कैंसिल कर रहा हूं मीटिंग को. तो I am calling off the meeting. Can you come pick me up? ठीक है, क्या तुम मुझे लेने आ सकते हो? तो can you come pick me up? Sure, I'll pick you at 7. Did you delay your trip? Delay करना मतलब देरी करना. Did you delay your trip? Yes, I put off the trip due to rain. Put off करना मतलब delay करना, देरी करना. तो I put off the trip due to rain. When should we meet? Let's schedule a meeting for tomorrow. When will you reply? I'll get back to you means I'll reply to you by evening. I'll get back to you by evening. I'll get back to you by evening. Remember it. Can I have the report? Can I have the report? Yes, I'll send you the final report. I'll send you the final report. Did you call the client? Did you call the client? I need to follow up with the client. I need to follow up with the client. How was the team discussion? How was the team discussion? We had a productive team discussion. Productive means constructive, अच्छा discussion होना. तो we had a productive team discussion. Is the deadline easy? Is the deadline easy? Deadline means होता है last date. Is the deadline easy? No, this deadline is a bit unrealistic. No, this deadline is a bit unrealistic. Unrealistic मतलब जो real नहीं है, जो वास्तविकता में नहीं है. Will you make changes? Will you make changes? Yes, I'll make the necessary changes. I'll make the necessary changes. Right? Do we have enough time? Do we have enough time? Enough मतलब पर्याप्त समय है. No, we are short on time. Short on time मतलब हमारे पास कम समय में है. Short on time. We are short on time. Do you know about the project? Do you know about the project? Can you please brief me on the project? Can you please brief me? Brief me मतलब उसके बारे में बताना. Brief में. Can you brief me on the project? Should we stay on topic? Should we stay on topic? Yes. Let's stick to the agenda. Stick to मतलब उसी पे ही रहना. Let's stick to the agenda. जो हमारे मुद्दे हैं उसी पे हम रहते हैं. तो let's stick to the agenda.